Welcome to BCOM 301 Virtual Class Business Communication. I'm your instructor, Dr. James Skip Ward. I have at the top my cell number. You can text me. It is a Houston number. Never bothered to change it when we moved here 6 years ago. I'll reply probably within 5 hours. And I'm always available for a text. But if you text me, please don't forget to give me your name and class, because I have 3 other classes. As usual, we always reserve the right to change the syllabus, schedule, add or remove materials. We're going to look at basically the job search process and business writing and oral presentations through VoiceThread or YouTube. A lot of people prefer the ebook now, and that's perfectly fine. The book comes with a lab, but I'm not going to begin it until week 3 because I want you to get used to Yellow Dig, which is kind of a Facebook-like pay tool that we're going to use replacing discussion board. The college requires us to put in this particular chart. I have developed 3 documents, one with the course objectives, topics, and study guide for each chapter of the book. They're on the left-hand menu under support materials. I have included extra reading. If you want to exceed expectations, take a look at the links and mention them. Refer to them on your midterm and final exams. Of course, we use email. I do suggest you keep a notebook handy. Use the study guide questions. Jot down the answers. Midterm and final is going to be very collaborative in that you're going to share your thoughts about course objectives to other courses, your major area of concentration, and your future career, and other. You will have a team project. This is mandatory in BCOM 301, face-to-face or virtual. However, if you get a non-performing teammate, one that does not show up to your meetings, one that doesn't turn in work on time and in full, let me know. You can fire them and they will receive a 0 for the analytical report. Okay, again, I'm rolling out the lab work week 3. I don't have it set up yet. Here's some information about the library, and you will see in the analytical report there are many links to help you understand how to use the digital library for research. And I can tell you that if you do email a question, they answer really fast. Grading, the one that you most like to see. Here it is. Yellow Dig has been set up. Resume, draft of the analytical report, which I will return to you for revision. The final paper to me. You have a midterm, and I would like to stress this is a comprehensive final over everything. And then course policies, which are also on the left-hand menu. Well, I hope this has given you some ideas about the organization of this course.